Hello and welcome. I'm your host EZ of BuildDigital, here to give a weekly roundup on tech news. And today, we'll be going over on the highlight of the recent Apple event and some information on the new AMD Radeon RX 6000 series. On the 10th of November, Apple has introduced the first MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and Mac Mini that will be fitted with the new M1 Apple Silicon chips. With the M1 chip based on a 5nm architecture and packing 16 billion transistors, Apple claims that the M1 chip is more powerful than most other PC processors. They might hold true to those words, as it was revealed that the new MacBook Air equipped with M1 chip cannot perform all the other models with Intel processors. Based on the benchmark provided on the Geekbench site, the MacBook Air that is running on the M1 chip reached a single-core score of 1687 and a multi-core score of 7433. These scores outperform the 16-inch MacBook Pro, which runs on Intel Core i9 processor that reached a single-core and multi-core scores of 1096 and 6870 respectively. It is to be reminded that these are the benchmarks on the raw CPU performance, and the MacBook Pro could still be superior in graphic benchmarks thanks to its discrete graphics. Apple will be releasing both the M1 based MacBook Air and MacBook Pro at the same price as their Intel counterparts at $999 and $1,299 respectively, while the M1 based Mac Mini will be starting at a low price of $699. In other news, it has been warned that the AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT could be short on stock at launch. This was stated by ASUS Nordic brand representative David Hammer through Sweclockers Forums. The stock for the RX 6000 graphic card would be limited, and even more so for the RX 6800 XT, and is expected to be sold out within minutes of the launch. The RX 6800 series partners cards will only be available at around a week or two after the launch. And in the more recent and related news, RX 6800 XT has been leaked to be capable of running a clock speed of over 2.5 GHz. On Twitter, a user that goes by @1Raichu has mentioned that the clock speeds can exceed 2.5 GHz, which performance is very close to the GeForce RTX 3090. Unfortunately, the Twitter post that featured the GPU-Z screenshot of the Overclock RX 6800 XT has been deleted over NDA concerns. While the RX 6800 XT is indeed impressive, its non-XT counterpart also packs a punch, running at a speed of 2.25 GHz. Geekbench results shows that the RX 6800 is about as fast as the RTX 3070, while the RX 6800 XT is up to 20% faster than the RTX 3070 on average, with some results being equal to the RTX 3080. Well, that is all from us today. If you liked the video, be sure to leave a like, and if you enjoyed your time here, consider subscribing. It's free and takes 2 seconds. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.